Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use photo editing app on Android phone. Alright, first of all, you can go to your gallery app or your photo app on your Android. It might be different in each Android, so it depends on your Android. And for my Android, I'm just going to click on gallery app. Just click on gallery app and select the photo that we want to edit. And I'm going to edit this photo, so just tap on the photo, and after that we can click on this editing button right here, and we can edit the photo as we like. We can put filters, we can put sticker and text. It's up to us. And I'm just going to click on filter and just choose the filter that we like, and I'm going to choose this filter. Alright, after that, if we want to adjust the brightness or the contrast, we can click on this button. And if we want to add sticker, we can click on the sticker button and just select the sticker that you want to add to your photo. Alright, and we can drag the sticker and we can place the sticker to the part of the photo that we like. Alright, after that, if we are done editing the photo, we can click on save. Okay guys, and that's how we can use photo editing app on Android phone. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.